Some of the best ways to take care of a leather jacket that you may have, depending on the leather, different leathers need different treatments. But again, most leather prefers to have its natural moisture in it. So it's always good to keep that leather clean. One of the best things you could do to clean your leather and your old leather jackets is maybe to get a damp rag, wipe it down really well. If you spill something on it or accumulate any crud or whatever it may be, that damp rag will work pretty well. If you have something, a big accumulation of something real weird on there, you might need to even use some acetone to clean it off. Acetone could pull some stuff out of leather. You might think it might be a little harsh, which in times it can be a little bit, but it's okay to use. Try in a tiny little section first. Use the acetone, take off whatever might be the problem on the garment, and then you're going to have to introduce moisture back into that leather. So maybe some oil product of sorts, wax products. And once that's done, reapply some finishing product like Resolene or something like that. That really helps because you want to keep that leather protected from the elements on the outside. With cleaning more things on leather, you can also use soapy water. That helps a lot. Some saddle soap, glycerin-based products, things like that to try and clean that leather up.